Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to get organized and showcase your products on Shopify with style? In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through creating a manual collection right from your Shopify admin. And by the end of this video, you'll have a custom collection setup that lets you fully control which products appear together for any theme, season, or promotion you want. This is a fantastic way to help your customers find what they're looking for and give your shop that polished, curated feeling. Let's jump straight in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. This is the control center for your store, kind of like your cockpit, where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. If you're already logged in, you should see the main dashboard. If not, just enter your details and sign in. Don't worry if it takes a second to load, especially if you haven't visited in a while. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the sidebar on the left. You're going to click on Products. This is where Shopify keeps all your items, but it's also where you organize them, group them, and even create collections. Think of products like the shelves in your physical shop, just digital. Now, under Products, you'll see a section called Collections. Go ahead and select that. Collections are awesome because they let you organize your items in ways that make sense for your customers, whether it's a summer sale, holiday gifts, or new arrivals. Collections keep everything neat and easy to browse. With the Collections page open, look for the Add Collection button. It should be somewhere toward the top right of your screen. When you click it, you're starting a blank canvas for your new manual collection. You'll see a form pop up. Here's where the creativity starts. Type in the name of your collection. Make it clear and catchy. For example, you might write Winter Essentials, Handmade Jewelry, or Staff Picks. The name is super important. It's the first thing your customers will see, so choose something that really speaks to what's inside. Next, you'll need to set the collection type. You'll see two options here, automated and manual. For this tutorial, let's choose manual. That means you get to pick exactly which products go into this collection, one by one. This is perfect when you want full control, maybe curating a feature list or matching products as you see fit. If you ever tried organizing books on a shelf by hand instead of by an algorithm, you'll know how satisfying it can be to arrange things just how you like. You'll notice you can add a description and image for your collection. If you're still thinking about what you want to write or which picture to use, don't worry. You can always come back and add those details later. Sometimes it helps to see the collection in action before deciding on the perfect description or finding just the right photo to match the vibe. Almost done. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Save. This part might take a little moment as Shopify processes the new collection, but once it's done, your manual collection is officially created. From here, you can start handpicking which products you want to include and really bring your vision to life. And that's it. You've set up a manual collection in Shopify. It's a small step, but it makes a huge difference in how people shop your store. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have questions about collections or other Shopify features, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials and tips to make your online store shine. Thanks for watching and good luck organizing those collections.